Oh,
Oh, 1.5.
saan?
Teka lang.
This Filipino's girlfriend called him over and showed him some money. She said, "If you can say just one word that makes me angry, this money is yours." But what he said next was so unexpected and hilarious that it left everyone laughing. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss the next story.
Man!
Oh,
Oh, 1.5.
saan?
Teka lang. Magbigay ka ng isang word na magagalit ako mapapasa'yo to.
Sigurado ka, mapapasagin yan. Oh, sige.
Oh, magbigay ka na ng isang word na magagalit ako.
Tapos,
Mapapasa'yo to.
tapos,
Mapapasa'yo nga to. Magbigay ka ng isang word na magagalit ako.
oh, tapos,
Mapapasa'yo nga to.
tapos,
Magbigay ka nga ng isang word na magagalit ako tapos mapapasa'yo to.
oh, tapos,
Eh, kung tapusin kita!
tapos,